Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm from Kikkoman, and here we are at Greenspoon Studio Kitchen. Today we're going to make stir-fried rice using Kikkoman naturally brewed soy sauce and UI sesame oil. Welcome. For this recipe we're going to use the following ingredients: Kikkoman naturally brewed soy sauce, UI sesame oil. We're going to use bell pepper, yellow and red. We're going to use garlic and ginger, then spring onions, carrots cubed, oil and eggs. We are going to use boiled rice, nothing else added. Then we are going to make egg fried rice from that. Take your pan, start off your fire. Then we are going to use 2 tablespoonfuls of oil. Then you let that heat evenly in your pan. Take your onion. You're gonna add your onion. You can use any. You can use white onion or red onion, the one that you have, but we prefer the red one because of flavor. Let that cook until golden brown. Once your onions start turning golden brown, go in with your carrots first. Then you're gonna add another spoon of oil just to make sure that it cooks evenly. After 1 minute, you go in with your bell peppers. Remember, you don't want them overcooked. You want them crunchy, at the same time juicy. So you go in with them. Then at the same time, you're gonna add your spring onions, just a handful of them. Then you're gonna let that cook for 3 minutes. After start frying your veggies for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the flame that you're using, we're gonna set this aside. Then, so we're gonna take our pan and go in with the eggs. Go in with 1.5 spoonful of oil. Go in with your eggs, beaten and whisked. We're using 4 eggs for the 400 grams of rice. So remember, you want your eggs crumbled because you're gonna use them with the rice. Keep playing with them, because you want them separated. You're gonna want them to go in the rice as much as you can. Yes, so when your eggs start turning brown, so they're ready, that's you know that they're ready, just put them aside. I'm gonna use another pan. So we're gonna go in with the final pan. I'm gonna put 2 spoonfuls of oil. Let that heat a bit. Then we're gonna go in with our ginger and garlic all together at the same time. You're gonna be careful here because you don't want your ginger to be burnt. You know, it burns very fast. Once you start feeling the aroma of the ginger and the garlic, then you know you are doing the right thing, because you don't want it to get burnt. You easily go in now with your rice. Remember, we are doing it under high flame. It's stir fry. Do it under high flame. Then once it's done, you can mix up everything. 1 to 2 minutes will be enough. Then after that, you're gonna go in with your veggies that we had set aside. You're gonna fry briefly the veggies with the rice together briefly until they mix up together. You see the mix of colors, mix of flavor. Then we're gonna go in with our eggs that we had kept aside. Remember, it's stir fried. You want everything to mix up together, uniform color, uniform flavors. Remember, you can get all the ingredients from Greenspoon. Everything that we are using, you can get it from Greenspoon. So after briefly frying, we're gonna put in our Kikkoman naturally brewed soy sauce. You know, stir-fried rice is not stir-fried without the Kikkoman soy sauce. And we're gonna use Kikkoman soy sauce. It's naturally brewed, only from 4 ingredients: soybeans, water, wheat, and salt. So it's naturally brewed for more than 6 months. So you're gonna use it because it has that flavor. It has more than 300 flavors in it. It's gonna give you the color, it's gonna give you the aroma that you want in your stir fry. Remember, stir fry is a staple dish in Asian cuisine, and it's not stir fry without the Kikkoman naturally brewed soy sauce. Now we're gonna go in finally with sesame oil. We're gonna use 2 spoons of EY sesame oil. You want that sesame oil flavors from the sesame seeds, natural seeds, roasted. So you're gonna go in with that 2 spoons. You can see the colors. You can feel the aroma that is coming in from that. This is how your stir fry should be, full of colors. It's not dark, it's not light. It's a perfect balance of flavors, perfect balance of aroma. And yeah, I think we have our perfect stir-fried rice using our Kikkoman naturally brewed soy sauce and UI sesame oil. Finally, we go in with our spring onion, just for that color balance. I think our rice is ready for digging. And that's how we make Kikkoman stir-fried rice. And with me, I'm joined by Eugene from Green Spoon, who's gonna be the judge. Hey, Eugene.
Right.
Dig in. How is it?
It's great. Fresh flavors, just amazing.
Nice. And remember, you can get all these ingredients and many more from Green Spoon. Green Spoon, honestly delicious. Let's go and enjoy ourselves, Eugene. Cheers.